Today we're changing the cabin air filter on our 2012 Subaru Outback. We're going to use this HEPA rated filter from Bosch. So why HEPA? So HEPA is a high efficiency particulate air filter, and these filters are rated to filter out 99.97% of airborne particulates that are 0.3 microns. And why does that matter? It really matters if you're like me and you have allergies. It's going to remove more allergens from the air you're breathing in your car. And if you spend a lot of time in your car, that matters. So now for the actual replacement, it's pretty easy. You're going to empty your glove box, which I've already done. And secondly, you need to disconnect a dampener arm that is over here on the right hand side of the glove box. Third, you need to apply a little bit of pressure on both sides of the glove box to release these two areas of the glove box from this track. So now you've got access to the cover, and you're going to squeeze on both sides to release the cover. Cover comes right out. Now you can see the old cabin air filter. So now you just want to remove this carefully so you don't get a bunch of debris in the car. And this one looks pretty dirty. This has probably never been changed. So this is our old one. So this is the before, and this will be the after. This is the Bosch filter. Amazing difference. You should actually do this about once a year or every 12,000 miles. So I'm going to just slide the new one in. One of the things that I'm looking at is the airflow on these is supposed to go down. So slides into place. Good to go. Just need to put my cover back in. Alright, now we're just going to close up the glove box. And I'm going to reattach that dampener arm. And we're done. Subscribe to my channel below for notifications on more Subaru Outback DIY projects.